Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I am Anushka and today I am going to teach you Algebra's transposition and systematic method of solving equations. So let's get started. Now let us talk about the systematic method first. Okay, systematic method. It's known as systematic method. Now what we have to do in this I'll tell you by example. So let's take an example. Take an example. Okay, I have an example that we have the equation x minus 3 is equals to 5. So, for solving this equation, we have two rules. So, the first rule is we have to add the same number to both the sides of the number because it's minus. So we have to always put the opposite sign of the given sign. Like the opposite sign of minus is plus, divide is multiplication, multiplication is divide, and plus is minus. So we have to use this form. You can note it down now. And we have to check the answer. So for checking the answer, we have the rule number 2 that we have to subtract the same number from both sides because we add, then we have to subtract. If if it was plus, we'll do minus, then we'll add in checking. मतलब जो हमने माइनस किया था हम पहले इसका उल्टा करेंगे. अब जो हमारा आंसर आएगा वो प्लस में आएगा, माइनस का आंसर प्लस में आएगा. अब उस प्लस के आंसर में से हमें माइनस करना है चेक करने के लिए. तो चलिए मैं आपको करके बताती हूँ. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज वी हैव x minus 3 is equals to 5. Now x minus 3 plus 3 will add ना, इसलिए plus 3 plus 3 के बाद is equals to 5 plus 3. So, if you have learned integers, you know that minus plus is equals to minus. So, 3 minus 3 means it's 0. So, the value of x becomes 5 plus 3, which is known as 8. So, 5 plus 3, 8. So, x is equals to 8. Now, we have to check it. That is it correct that x is equals to 8? So, for checking, let me tell you one more thing that why the sign changed. Why the sign changed from minus to plus? Because we are transposing the number minus 3 from LHS to RHS. So when we transpose a number with a sign from LHS to RHS, the sign changes. Okay. Now, in checking, what do we have to do? We are checking for x is equals to 8. So we have to know that is really x is value 8. So now what we'll do is equals to LHS is equals to, what we'll do is x minus 3. That's the equation. X minus 3 is equals to 8. Because x minus 3 was the equation, is equals to 8 minus 3. Because I told you we have to minus 3. So we'll minus 3 from x and then we'll minus 3 from 8. So we'll get 5. Which is the answer, RHS. Now, we know that 5 was our answer before also. So, if we are getting the answer 5, our answer is correct. So, x minus 3 means 8 minus 3. Okay? But we have not put in value. Okay? Then, is equals to 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. We put in the value. First, we have to write the equation. Then, we have to put the value in the equation. So, when we minus 3 from 8, we get 5. So, it is the correct answer. Now let me tell you about transposition method. Let us talk about transposition method. Okay? You can note it down if you want. Now, transposition method. Transposition method. In transposition method, we have to change the side of the number. Okay? I'll tell you this. So, we have an example 2x minus 5 is equals to 7. Now, what we have to do in it, the equal to sign will come here and these places will change its place. So, we have to transpose. So, we'll transpose minus 5 to plus 5 because we will transpose it from LHS to RHS. Now, 2x is equals to, okay, is equals to 5 plus 7. So, 2x is equals to 12. Now, what we'll do now? We have 2x is equals to 12. So, I told you that it is a variable and it is a constant. So, constants has a value. So, let me tell you one more thing, that if there is no sign between two values, it is in multiplication. Okay, remember this thing. So, what is the other sign of opposite sign of multiplication? Division. So, x is equals to 12 upon 2, which is 6. So, the value of x is 6. We don't check in transposition method, but if you want to check, you can check it very easily by putting values. Like 2 into, what is the value of x? 6. So, 2 into 6 minus 5 is equals to 7. You can solve this value because you all are intelligent. You can solve it easily. 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 5 is equals to 7. So, our answer is correct. Now, I have 2 homework questions for you all. Okay, so the homework questions are one from systematic method and one from transposition method. So, from the systematic method is this one. Systematic method में से आपका होमवर्क है 1/3 into not into 1/3x is equals to 7, and from a transposition method your homework is x/3 is equals to 1/15. So solve these questions in your notebook. So thank you for watching, guys. If you solved your concepts, let me know in the comments and hit the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.